So this is how you can build an app with AI and also you don't need to code. So this is a website called glideapps.com. And as you can see in the description, it says create AI powered business apps that connect your data and tools, automate your manual work, and scale as you grow. No coding required. Now, this is specifically for businesses. Business apps where it helps you, with your tasks, with your work, and your data. But if you're not a business needing a business app, then of course, it probably won't be the best for you, but it still work for you. So, what you're going to want to do is describe the app that you want to build. So, for example, if you are a business and let's say you want to sort out some kind of data or, have your members use the app as well and maybe file in as completed on a certain job or a work, you can go on ahead and say something like that. Like you can say, make me an app where it sorts out different types of data whenever the members are completed with their tasks. Something like that. Basically, it's all up to you to describe what app you want to make and what about. You have to say it's for your business or something, but yeah, you have to just, be very detailed what you want the app to be about and it's going to generate it for you. Once you tap on generate app, of course, it's going to generate the app and then you would have to publish it in order for it to actually be an app. And then you and your members can download the app and you're good to go. It's really easy. You don't need to learn how to code because all you have to do is type in what you want it to do and you're good to go. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.